Hello, everybody. The story of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there was a little golden haired girl who lived on the edge of the forest. Her name, you can guess, it is Goldilocks because of her golden hair. She had such admirable golden color locks that everyone who saw her was mesmerized. She was very beautiful. Sometimes she would be very naughty too. And every time she stepped out to play with her friends, she had to be warned by her mother, Goldilocks, please do not go to the forest. One day, in spite of her mother telling her, Goldilocks went for a walk in the forest. She walked and walked and walked, and very soon she got lost. And she was just looking around because she became hungry too. And she thought that maybe she could get some fruit from a tree or something. But to her surprise, she found a house, a nice little cottage. It was very beautiful. And she knocked. She thought that, whoever lives in the cottage would feed her something. So she knocked and asked, anybody home? When no one answered, she just walked right in. At the table in the kitchen, there were 3 bowls of porridge. Goldilocks was hungry. So she just made herself very comfortable on the dining chairs. And then first she tasted the porridge from the first bowl, which was very big. And just as she put the spoon in her mouth, this porridge is too hot, she exclaimed. So she moved to the second bowl, which was not so big. And when she tasted that, this porridge is too cold. Who will eat it? And then she moved to the tiny one, the third one, which was just right for her size. And when she tasted that, ah, this porridge is just right for me, she said very happily. And very soon she ate it all up. After she had eaten fully, she decided that she was feeling a little tired. So she walked into the living room where she saw 3 chairs. One was big small, another one was little smaller than that, and there was another one which was too small. And first she climbed onto the chair, big chair, but it was too hard for her. And she moved on to the second chair that was too soft. She thought that she would even go inside that. And when she sat in the third chair, it was just right for her. But as she was making herself comfortable in the chair, it broke into pieces. To her surprise, even then, Goldilocks was very tired and she did not have the heart to walk back the long distance to her home. So she was looking for a place to sleep. When she saw there were 2, 3 doors, she opened one. And in that, she saw 3 beds. One was big, the second was not so big, and the third was for her size. But she tried the big one, and it was too hard. And she tried the second one that was very soft. She did not like it. And when she moved to the third one, it was perfect for her and she liked it. Not only that, she fell asleep in that. As she was sleeping, the 3 bears who lived in that cottage, they returned. And they had picked some berries also to eat with the porridge. But what was there? Someone's been eating my porridge, growled the papa bear. Someone's been eating my porridge, said the mama bear. And the little girl, when she saw A bowl was completely empty. Someone's been eating my porridge and they ate it all up, cried the baby bear. And when they explored, they saw that the chairs also have been occupied. And seeing the small chair which was broken, the baby bear started to cry, "Someone's been sitting in my chair and it is broken to pieces. What will I do?" She cried. And the mama bear just consoled her. She said, "We will rectify this. Don't worry. Okay. First, we will see who's there in our house. Whether they have taken anything else, they have to find, isn't it?" So they decided to move to the other rooms. Finally, they came into the bedroom. "Someone's been sleeping in my bed because it is all disturbed now," said the papa bear. "Someone's been sleeping in my bed too. See, everything is messy," said the mama bear. "Someone's been sleeping in my bed and she's still there," exclaimed the baby bear. And just then, Goldilocks she woke up and she saw all the three bears, the big bear with the hairy face and things. She got really scared and she screamed, "Help!" And she jumped up and ran out of the room. She ran down the stairs and opened the door and she ran away into the forest. Somehow she reached her home and she didn't even look back till she reached her home. And she narrated all these things in an agitated mood to a mother. A mother didn't scold her, luckily. She said, "It is good that you are back and never, never, ever go into the forest without any one of us. It is a very dangerous place." So Goldilocks started playing with her friends at the backyard and they all enjoyed their play. Thank you.